Welcome to our channel. If you want to cancel your DIRECTV stream subscription, follow these step-by-step instructions to end your service properly and avoid unwanted charges. Step 1. Open your web browser and go to the DIRECTV stream website. Log in with your account credentials. Step 2. Click on your account icon in the top right corner and select My Account or Account Settings from the menu. Step 3. Navigate to the subscription or billing section where you can view your current plan and payment details. Step 4. Look for Cancel Service or Manage Subscription and click on it to begin the cancellation process. Step 5. DIRECTV Stream may present you with retention offers or alternative plans. Review these options or proceed with cancellation. Step 6. Select a reason for canceling from the provided list. This feedback helps improve their service but is optional. Step 7. Confirm the cancellation by clicking all required buttons and following on-screen prompts. Your service will remain active until the end of your billing period. Step 8. Check your email for a cancellation confirmation from DIRECTV Stream. Keep this email for your records. Log back into your account to verify the cancellation status. If you encounter any issues, contact DIRECTV Stream customer support for assistance. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.